So, first dish off the rank is the rillette, Nick. I mean, it's a French word, right?
It's French, but it's more or less a slice of meat. It's a coarse, sort of slow-cooked pate,
Yeah.
I would say.
So pate is...
But there's no blending of the meats here. We're
No.
just slow cooking it and we're just
Lovely.
feathering it.
Okay, very good. So that's the first dish. Classic Lussmanns dish, old school French, rillette, not much not to like, is there? Delicious.
You want to show me
And you can eat this
all together.
You can put this in the fridge for, 3 or 4 days, no problem. And you can freeze it down and put it in the freezer, for a good 3 to 6 months?
Yeah.
No problem. And you can bring it out for a dinner party, or it's perfect for the family at the weekend. Anyway, bon appetit.